everyone, today we're gonna learn about the numbers 10 to 20 in German. Are you excited, Olivia? Yes! So, 10 in German is 10. 11, 12, 13, 11, 12, 13. 14, 15, 16, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 17, 18, 19, 20, 20. Let's practice. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. That was 1 to 10. Now, can we try 10 to 20? 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20.